how to log in to your Target app. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Target application on your device and you will then be led to the login portal of Target. So tap on the sign in or create account option you see there and you will then be led to the login portal. So go ahead and enter a valid email ID or a mobile number and then tap on the continue button. Additionally, you can also sign in with a passkey if needed. I will simply enter my email and then tap on the continue button. Now, you will then be required to choose if you want to use a passkey to sign in to your account, or if you simply want to enter your passcode, or if you want to get a code. So go ahead and choose your preferred option. I will simply enter my password. So once entered, tap on the sign in to your account option you see there, and with this, you will be signed in to your Target app. Just in case if you have forgotten your password, then you can also tap on the forgot password option you see there and then go ahead and recover your password and then sign in again. So this was about how you can sign in to your Target app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.